Do you know the difference between a debit card and a credit card? Are you aware of how these two types of cards can impact your financial life? If not, don't worry, you're not alone. Many people use these cards interchangeably without fully understanding their unique characteristics. So, what exactly is a debit card? Simply put, a debit card is a card that allows you to access funds in your bank account. When you make a purchase using a debit card, money gets deducted directly from your account. It's like having a digital wallet that holds your hard-earned cash. Now think about this. You're at your favorite store. You've picked out some items, and now it's time to pay. If you use a debit card, the money gets subtracted from your account instantly. No fuss, no waiting. There are some definite benefits to using a debit card. For one, it can help you manage your money better. Because you can only spend what's in your account, it can prevent you from overspending or falling into debt. It's a great tool for keeping your finances in check and avoiding the pitfalls of financial mismanagement. But of course, like anything else, debit cards also come with their drawbacks. The most glaring one is that if your card gets lost or stolen, the thief could potentially access all the funds in your account. And because the money is taken out of your account instantly, you might not have enough time to report the loss and prevent unauthorized transactions. So how does this compare with a credit card? Well, a credit card is essentially a loan. When you use a credit card, you're borrowing money from the bank to make a purchase. And unlike with a debit card, you don't have to pay it back immediately. You get a grace period, typically about a month, to pay off your balance. If you don't pay it off in full by the due date, you'll be charged interest. Now, credit cards offer some benefits that debit cards don't. For instance, they can help you build credit, which is important if you're planning on getting a loan or mortgage in the future. They also often come with rewards programs, allowing you to earn points, miles, or cash back on your purchases. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Credit cards can lead to debt if not used wisely. It's easy to spend more than you can afford and end up with a balance that's hard to pay off. So, to sum up, a debit card is a tool that allows you to spend the money you already have, while a credit card lets you borrow money that you promise to pay back. Both have their pros and cons, and understanding these can help you make informed decisions about your finances. Remember, it's not about which card is better, but which one suits your financial needs and habits the best. So, take a moment to consider. Are you a debit card person or a credit card person? The answer might just help you take control of your financial future.